Everybody, John here over at Byrider Green Bay, and year's going really good so far. Having a lot of really good experiences, a lot of really great customers, and I was asked to just kind of share one of my favorite memories of the year so far with you guys. And one of my absolute favorite memories so far this year was helping out one of our customers, and we were able to really help them out and really help them, and it meant a lot to them. And I just wanted to read you the review they left me. Started off as a 4-star review. 1 week later, I'm increasing it. I've never had a salesperson or staff so supportive and outgoing. These folks don't just say they're here to help, they prove it. My wife is now driving the very best vehicle available on their lot, and for an insane amount less than the sticker. With a warranty and a service plan I haven't found a match anywhere. I love their business model, and I won't buy a car or finance anywhere else ever again. That really means a lot. It's a really good feeling when we're able to help people and do things for them that other dealerships can't. So if you're looking for a vehicle and you don't think you have a chance anywhere else, we might be able to help you out and get you driving. I'm going to do everything I can to get you driving. So feel free to give me a call, 920-455-7788, or stop in. Our address here is 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Have a really great day, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.